So I recently just gave the Ollie Gray all-in-one nursing, pumping, and sports bra to one of my girlfriends, and she said it was life-changing. The only problem is she wishes she had it 4 kids ago. Welcome back to The Well-Traveled Mom. I'm Micaela, and I am so excited because this video is for all my new mommies out there. Whether you're nursing, you're pumping, or you're just an active mom that's always on the go, you are going to love this product review. It is really truly the only all-in-one bra out on the market today. It is by Ollie Gray, and it's called the Anywhere Bra. Finally, a bra that you don't have to switch out to pump or to feed your baby. With this bra, you can truly go anywhere. Be hands-free to pump, to nurse, or just to live your active lifestyle with ease and comfort. Now this V bra is designed to effortlessly fit most wardrobe shirt choices, and the designer of this bra previously designed sportswear for the company Lululemon. So you know the quality and the support of this bra is made with the utmost importance. Now this bra has a moisture wicking technology that fights smells and stains, and it makes managing all of your other mommy duties so much easier because you have both hands and can effortlessly maneuver around the house. Now I can personally attest, when I had my daughter, we flew for the very first time when she was 2 weeks old, and we were constantly at baseball games and always on the go. So having this bra really allowed me to be flexible to pump or nurse whenever I needed. The great thing about this versatile bra is that it can be worn with either crisscross back straps or the traditional style. And the clasps on the front allow for easy feeding or portable pumping. So no more changing bras in the bathroom stall while you're on the go. Honestly, there is no other bra out on the market today that does it all like this comfortable, stylish, go anywhere bra. So no matter how you spend your days, I truly believe that the Go Anywhere bra by Ollie Gray will make it so much easier on you to nurse, to pump, or just lead your busy, active lifestyle at ease so that you can just enjoy the adventure of motherhood. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next week. Bye. Bye.